This is a good Aloha Friday. Ooh. What in the world? Is there a homeless filter on this thing? Alright. Aloha Friday. Welcome back. Missed you guys last week. I did not upload a video. Had some family stuff. It is way better now, so sorry, excuse me. We can get started with the videos again. Just did one hunting this week, one day, mid-afternoon, crazy. My boys left some stuff for me on the peg, so let's start it off right now. Greatest day of the week, Aloha Friday. Let's go. Alright, we gotta do it this way because I am looking crazy. I need a haircut, need to shave, but PKs, Reds, the Camaro SS. So you know I am not really American vehicles, cars, some trucks, but this red is nice. It's a dark red. And the Challenger. I did not get the Mustang. I probably get it later, but yeah. Did you know this? This is actually a sparkly red. I don't know if you can catch that, but yeah. But I do love my reds, but does anybody in the comments want to do a trade? Let me know. If you guys didn't find these ones, but I'll see if I can try to get the Mustang, but I kind of like the Mustang. It looks pretty sick, that black. But maybe for just these two, yeah, leave me in the a comment down below. Let's do a little trade. I haven't traded with anybody in a long time. Let's get trading again. But yep, these are the reds. PK's pretty good condition. But yeah, they're nice. I like that dark red, but not really American is for me. But okay, so I had to buy these. I got these shipped over far away, but I gotta have it. You guys know I drive a 2007 4Runner, and I got my white one loose up there in my display, and I just had to get this one. So I did not find these on the pegs, although they are hitting the islands right now. People are finding them. I just haven't found them because I haven't been hunting with that family thing. So, but look at this thing. And if I'm not mistaken, they are actually, Toyota's actually making this into a real 4Runner. A real one size car. So, but yeah. Oh man, do I need to open one? Damn, they got the freaking bronze TEs too. Excuse me, yeah. Oh man, I do need to open one. Oh, trade 2 of these for 1 more of this. we'll trade it, even trade. But end of the video. Stay to the end of the video. Maybe I'll open this free at Fridays and all. But yep, maybe. That's a definite maybe. But okay, RLC members, you guys all should have been getting all your 82 Lambos, Countach. I think this is the one that we made, right? All of us put this in. I did choose this color, I ain't gonna lie. I did not choose, I might have choose the wheels, but no, I think I chose the casting and the color. I think this is the ones, right, that you could stuff. But let's open this, because everybody's videos I've been watching, it looks beautiful. So let's do this. I don't think it's numbered or whatever, but either way, it's a beautiful case too. Boom. Hold on, might need that again, but yep. Ooh, that thing is beautiful. Alright, you guys ready to? Look, it's like a marble. Oh my god. It's sick. It's nice. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. This thing is, yeah, I did not choose those wheels. I did not choose the 5-spokes. I forget what I chose, but I definitely chose this casting and that green, because you guys know I love green. Oh, it's sick. It's beautiful. No number. I don't care about that anyway. But okay, let's try to open these out. I was gonna say hard to open, but no, it's not. It's not. Hold on. You gotta push these tabs, I think. I said I was told. Boom. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Getting all choked up. My first ROC Lambo. I know there was a couple other ones that's going for ridiculous prices, but oh baby, look at this. The fingerprints right there. Somebody's fingerprints. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is just straight speed. Look at this thing. 82. Man, I was 4? I was 4 years old. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at this. Look at the details. Oh yeah. I'm so glad I picked this up. Oh yeah, I got 2. I bought 2 of these. It is nice. Oh man. That, what green did they call it? Acid green or whatever. Oh yeah. That thing is sick. Oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Yep. Hopefully you guys grab some of these. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. That thing is sick. Alright. Oh my gosh. Dude. Just opened it. Love it. Does it close? Ooh, doesn't close that good, but that guy's fingerprint on there. Hope it wasn't a crime. But yep. Look at this thing. Ooh. You know what? Come right back. I feel like opening stuff. Let's do it. Thank you for staying to the end. Whoo! Alright. The Forerunner. The Boulevards. Oh my, it's broken. Alright. But, yep. Free at Fridays. Love Forerunners. Have a Forerunner. Love Toyotas. But, yep. I have a white one up there. So, open. Loose. You gotta do it. You got to do it. And it didn't open good. It did not want to come out. Ooh. Oh. I thought it was black or a dark kind of bluish. I don't know. It looks like blue-green to me. It has a little bit of hint of green in there. Oh, dude. Are you guys ready? Shredded TE. Oh, gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez, with the old school color stripes. Hood scoop. Oh, I love that new TRD. Love that. The details. Grill. Huge. In the back. Oh, it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta post some stuff on my Instagram. Dude, it's beautiful. I love it. Alright, hey, Thank you for all the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Should be uploading regular again. Starting to do some more customs. Just been busy with the family stuff, like I said, but got some stuff in the works. Got this one. Still gotta sand this one super good. The MBK van. This is the Mitsubishi Eclipse, the green one. But yep, oh my goodness, these two beauties. Alright, hey, thank you for all the support. Love you guys. Please take care of each other. Hopefully you guys get everything you want this weekend. Love you guys. Aloha Friday. Freer Fridays. Let's go. Aloha.